Enemy transport sighted entering the target area. The one's getting a bit choppy. You can compensate for it, or you can wait it out. But he might leave before it dies down. That's your goal. Remember what I've taught you. Keep in mind variable humidity and wind speed along the body's flight path. At this distance, you'll also have to take the Coriolis effect into account. Okay, I see him. Target down. I think you blew off his arm. Shock and blood loss will take care of the rest. Shut, they're onto us. Take out that helicopter. It'll buy us some time. Great shot, Lieutenant. Now let's go. They'll be searching for us. It's time to move! We'll have to take a shortcut. Follow my lead. Lieutenant Price, follow me. Delta 2-4, this is Alpha 6. We have been compromised. I repeat, we have been compromised. Now heading to extraction point 4.
Alpha 6, Big Bird is en route. ETA 20 minutes, don't be late. 20 minutes, don't be late. We're stretching our fuel as it is. Out.
Tango down. Forget these guys, we're going to get left behind. Let's get to the extraction point. Got him. Go! Go! Got him. Got to reach the extraction point before we run out of time. Keep moving. We'll lose him in that apartment. Come on. All right, go! Stand by. Quick, plant the claymore by the door up ahead. Shoot the helicopter! We'll take it down together! Good night, you bastard. Bloody hell, I can't move! Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to carry me. If we run into trouble, you'll have to find a good spot to put me down, so I can cover you. The extraction point is to the southwest. We can still make it if we hurry. Tango's moving in. Find a spot where I can cover you and put me down. Got him. Contact southwest. Tango down. Tango's moving to the east. Got one! Looks like we're in the clear. We should get moving. For that apartment. We'll try to lose him in there. Target southeast. Tango's moving to the east. Target neutralized. Movement, northeast. Got another. In the woods. Looks like we're in the clear. We should get moving. Stay out of the radioactive areas. Are you daft? Stay out of the radioactive areas.